Hey guys, it's me, MDocTVD2, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some kicking animations like me. So this animation look like anime. First all I gotta do is stretch it a little bit and stretch it a little bit right there. And also go to your layer, go to media, and if you erase the background, go to eraser or go into Google Images. So I'm going to be using my render. There. Hold for the sec. And then you can, yeah. Yeah, guys, that one died. So I'm sad. So anyways, yeah. And I'm going to pick a bad user, so they're going to get kicked. So I'm going to be using... This is hard. This is pretty hard. That one. Yes. That one. Okay. Yeah. And also stretch it again. And then there. Wait, hold on. And there. And then wait, let me just there. And go to animations and you can watch me do some animation. So yeah. Wait, no. Yeah, this is. So there. We're going. A little bit small. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Okay, never mind. Oh, and also, you can cut right there. You can cut split at playhead. And I'll be using this. Wow, look at me kicking. Now watch me. Do you see that? Oh, and also, okay, I need to let this out. So yeah. I got Super Mario. You mean Mario? Well, that's okay. There. And you can see my animations. Wow, how far did I kick so fast? Now, first, you're going to go to layer and go to effect. And how to get some motion blur, just go into the shop and then go down to blur. Wow. And then press on motion blur. And if you guys installed or if you didn't install, just install there. So yeah. Now I'm going to the there. Yeah, just go to this angel will be 80 or even 90 or 91. And go to strafe 3. And then go to the shape and then feather. And then you can wait till it pops up. Oops. And then you go into the angel and then you can put right there 57 and then put 4 and then wait there, and then go to the angel again. Go to settings again and then press on the 01 and the 31 and then wait, shoot. I mess up. And then go to animations if you want to go to the animations. If you just, yeah. And there you go. Wait, just for a sec. Wait. No. And there you go. See? This is how you do it. So if you guys like this video, yeah. And press on the trim to right of playhead. So if you guys like this video, subscribe and like and comment down below. So anyways, see you.